In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an API token in Jira and generate a new token step by step. We'll start inside your Jira Cloud workspace. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might appear as your avatar, your initials, or a small profile picture. Go ahead and click that icon. This opens a menu with options related to your Atlassian account and profile. From this menu, choose the option called Account Settings. This will take you out of the main Jira project view and into your Atlassian account management page. It may open in a new tab, and that's completely normal. Give it a moment to load because all of your profile and security settings live here. On the account settings page, you'll see several sections or tabs. Look for the one labeled Security. This is where you manage things like password, two-step verification, and of course API tokens. Click on Security to open that section. Once you're in the security section, scroll down until you find Create and Manage API Tokens. This is the dedicated area where you can generate, view, and revoke tokens. Click that link and Atlassian will take you to the API Tokens management page. At this point, Atlassian may ask you to verify your identity again for security reasons. You might see a prompt to re-enter your password, complete a two-step verification code, or confirm through another method depending on how your account is set up. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. This extra step helps protect your account because API tokens can be used by scripts or external tools to access Jira on your behalf. Once you're in the API tokens page, you'll be able to create a new token by following the instructions you see there, usually by giving the token a label and generating it. When the token is displayed, copy it and store it in a secure place, such as a password manager. Remember that you typically won't be able to see the full token again after closing the window, so don't skip the saving step. And that's it. By following these steps, you can securely create and manage your Jira API tokens whenever you need to integrate Jira with other tools or automate workflows.